Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to find lost AirPods. Right, so here this is really easy thing to do. Right, so first of all you have to just go to Find My app. Open Find My app on your iPhone or iPad, type on device and select your AirPods from the list. If your AirPods are nearby, you can tap play sound to make them emit a sound, helping you locate them quickly. Right, if there is an out of range, you can view the last known location on the map and get direction to the spot. You can also visit to the iCloud.com, and once you visit to this here, you have to sign up here using your Apple ID. Click on Find iPhone, then select your AirPods from the list of devices. Similar to the app, you can play a sound or seek the last known location. Right, so this is how you can do it. But if you have AirPods inside the case, go to the device and select your AirPods in the case is open with at least one AirPod inside. You can use the play sound feature or see its current location on the map. Sign in into your iCloud.com, which is here. Once you sign in here and follow simple steps about to locate your AirPod case with the earbuds inside. Right, so this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video very useful, subscribe.